Okay, James Vanderbeek right now is the perfect example of like rules for thee and not for me. And like, it's horrible he passed. My heart breaks for his family and his kids. I'm not trying to like, but can I just say the fact that they had a GoFundMe after he did holistic cancer treatment and then passed away, and then came out and asked the American people to help fund them now when they bought a $5 million property with a 5,000 square foot home and they have 6 kids. And then you want us to help fund your lifestyle. And these are the same fuckers that are like, oh, we can't have welfare or food assistance or, free pre-K. But you can think you're entitled to fundraise for your $5 million home and your 6 kids nobody forced you to have? I should give you money for that, but I can't have health care. I really am sorry for his family, but like, I'm sorry. That pisses me off. Like, I have empathy for their loss, and I have zero empathy for them crowdfunding a lavish lifestyle off of after you made like horrible life choices. And that's always what you say to poor people. And like, they just want to be able to like fucking live and like eat food and like have a place to stay and like a roof over their head and maybe like health care. And the same type of people say that's asking for too much. These people are too fucking lazy. Get a goddamn job. But then outpouring and love of support for a celebrity who made horrible life choices and then come begging for money. Are you fucking kidding me?